Alright, so I am working on the 1989 Chevy K1500, and what I have right here, this is known by several different names. Some people call it the headlight buzzer, some people will call it the key in the ignition buzzer, sometimes you'll hear the seatbelt buzzer module. Whatever the name you want to call it, that right there will buzz if you leave your key in the ignition. Okay, so you get ready to get out of the car or truck and you leave the key in the ignition, it should be buzzing to remind you to take it out, or if you have the headlights on, it should be buzzing to remind you to turn the headlights off. Well, this is not working, obviously, and I'm going to show you exactly where this goes on these old body style trucks. You see that space right there? This is the little connector panel that's underneath the dash. If you'll take the where the hood release is and just go right here, and this can only go in one way. So you see there's a tab right here, okay, and there's also a notch right here. So we're just going to basically plug this in, and I'm going to put the key in the ignition and show you what it sounds like. Okay, the key's in the ignition. If you get ready to leave the truck, it would be ringing. Take that out. Or if you left your headlights on. Now, some people don't like this continual audible sound. Some people will take a module that's from a Camaro, like an early 90s Camaro, and it will have a ding, 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 ding like that. There's a bunch of different sounds that these make from GMs, and I'm pretty sure that most all of them would work, but I prefer the standard classic one. So to remove this, you would just put your finger back here where the release tab is and then pull this straight out. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. If you've ever wondered why yours doesn't work, you may have a bad one, and they're very easy to replace. You can get them in a junkyard, and it's super easy. All right, well, if you've got any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you in the next video.